This review is of Hank's Genuine Gourmet Philadelphia Recipe Root Beer. And it is kosher. And it's got low sodium and it's caffeine free. They say it's very low sodium, but I've got another one that's lower than this. Naturally and artificially flavored. The nutrition facts: no fat or cholesterol, 30 milligrams of sodium, 41 grams of carbs that are all sugars that are added, and no protein. And these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
Oh,
All right. It's a nice standard root beer flavor. Not too sweet. Enjoyable. So if you're looking for just a standard, enjoyable root beer flavor, this is definitely a good choice. It is not as good as their diet root beer, in my opinion. But it's definitely quite nice. I'll give it an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.